Okay, right now YouTube's number verification is getting out of hand, as many of their numbers cannot be verified anymore, right? There's a problem when you send the code to your number. It tells you there was a problem sending a verification code to your number, so you have to use a different number, right? So there are many solutions to this. The first is to use a family member's number to verify. Secondly, you could also try using the call me with an automated voice. Sometimes it works out, but not always. And if you run out of option, the third option that could help with this issue is to visit one of these temporary numbers websites, right? So if you type right, so if you visit to these temporary numbers, you could see there's a lot of options here for you to choose from. However, these numbers are public numbers, so they are being used by so many people, and if you have an agent message, the people are going to see it, right? So what you are going to do is to look for a country that you want to use their number to verify. So let's choose the United States, right? And then you go in. This number is the new one just posted 3 hours ago, right? You copy this number and then head back to your verification and then paste it. Let's try this number. Okay, it has been associated with too many accounts, which shows that YouTube, this number has already been used to verify, right? I've used this number to verify it once in this website. There are so many websites like this too. What you have to know is they keep posting the numbers in, like, you want to verify it for free, you have to be on the website and keep refreshing till they post a new number. Then you act faster, get the number faster and go put it there, and you are going to be free to log in, because the new number, many people has not used it yet, maybe on YouTube. So you just do that faster. You could see this is 3 hours ago. All these numbers was dropped 3 hours ago. The numbers could drop again, but let's say drop like 1 minute ago. No one has used it on YouTube. You could use it to verify of verification phone number, right? And the last option is, if this number doesn't work out, this requires you to pay, right? So, right, you could buy this is the website to buy the cheapest phone number from every country you want. You could even make calls with it. Like, you could call someone on it, and you could also receive message on it, right? You could say, I've received YouTube verification code on this and it's work. What you have to do is you go, I'll put the link under my description, and this is also the name of the website. You click on this and then you choose any country that you want. It's usually you could also choose any of the states that you want to using. Let's say you want to use it in California, Indiana, you could choose it and then also select the number you want. You could look through and select the number you want, right? And you click on continue, and it's just less than $2 to purchase a number, right? So you click on it and you purchase it. But before you purchase it, you have to load your account. As soon as you use this number on your platform, you select the country, use it, it's going to go through. This is what I did and it worked for me, right? So this problem, I've seen many people with this problem on YouTube, but they are unable to solve it, right? So these are the many ways to solve the phone number verification problem on YouTube, right? You don't have to subscribe at the end, but if you really want to, you could subscribe, right? If this provided help for you. Thanks for watching.